children. See, before already today session we are going to discuss about the lesson physics, third lesson, refraction of light at plane surfaces. So already we have discussed about this lesson. What is a refraction? So now what is a refraction we have discussed, and next one is that what are the laws of refraction, and we have done some of the activities also. Inside the classroom we have done some of the activities. What are the laws of refraction? There are two laws of refraction. One is the first law of refraction, that is nothing but we call as a Snell's law. So the ratio sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant, and we have done the derivation for the Snell's law also. Next, second law is the angle of incidence and the incident ray, refracted ray and the normal ray lies on the same plane at the point of incidence. And next, after that we have discussed about the refractive index. What is refractive index? What is absolute refractive index and what is relative refractive index we have discussed. So what is the refractive index? In the refraction of light, the behaving of refraction of light in a given medium, it shows that a quantity that is nothing but we call refractive index. So how the light ray is used to travel from rarer to denser? If it travels from denser to rarer, how the light ray will be traveled? It travels away from the normal. If the light ray is traveled from rarer to denser, the light ray is used to move towards the normal due to the refractive index, due to the denser medium. And we have discussed that in rarer medium, the refractive index is less and speed of light is more. So that, and in denser medium and in rarer medium, the refractive index is less and speed is more. In denser medium, the refractive index is more and speed is less. So that the refractive index and speed of light both are inversely proportional. And later that we have discussed about the total internal reflection. What is a total internal reflection? When the light ray is traveling. So after that we have discussed about the total internal reflection. What is a total internal reflection? In shortcut way we can say that TIR. So here the total internal reflection, it means that when a light ray is traveling, from denser to rarer, then due to that, what happens when it travels? If it is incident more than the critical angle, if the light ray is incident in the more than the critical angle, then the total light ray, how much? If 100% of light ray will be incident, the total 100% of light ray will be comes back into the same medium. Actually, at every reflection, what is used to happen? If 100% of light is used to incident, means in that some of the light used to be reflect and some of the light used to be absorb and some of the light used to be refract. But in the total internal reflection, if how much light ray used to be incident, the total light will be reflects. So without any absorption and without any refraction. So that's what here the total light is reflecting now. So that we call this phenomena total internal reflection. And what is the critical angle we have discussed? Critical angle means what? The angle of incidence at which the angle of refraction will be 90 degrees. At which angle of incidence we are getting the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. That is nothing but we called critical angle. That angle of incidence is nothing but we called critical angle. And we have discussed about the relation between the critical angle and the refractive index. What is the relation? N is equal to 1 by sin C. This already we have derived this. Yes, ma'am? Already we have derived this. And already we have discussed about the total internal reflection. And when this total internal reflection will be possible? When this total internal reflection will be possible? What are the conditions here? What are the conditions of total internal reflection? The total internal reflection will be happen only in the two cases. One is the two cases must be there. One is that the light ray must be traveled from denser medium to rarer medium. Then only the light will be, total light will be reflected back. And another condition is that the light ray must be incident with an angle more than the critical angle. If the critical angle is 27 degrees Celsius, the light ray must be incident above 27 degrees Celsius. At that time only the total internal reflection phenomenon will be occurs. Or else if it is less than the critical, if the light ray is incident less than the critical angle, then there is no total internal reflection phenomenon. So now we are going to in this session we are going to discuss a latter part. Up to here we have discussed now latter part. What are the where we are observing this total internal reflection, where we are using in our daily life. What are the applications of total internal reflection? Applications is nothing but where we are using in our daily life. This is a phenomenon. So now in this session we are going to discuss about the applications of total internal reflection. So what are the applications of total internal reflection? Applications of TIR. TIR means what one? Total internal reflection. So here you can see the first is that we can find this phenomenon in the mirages. At the time of mirages we used to find. What is mirages? Mirage. What is a mirage, my dears? Mirage is nothing but you may find sometimes when you are going by road. So you used to find some distance, some far distance you used to find some water. But when you reach there, can you find the water? No, nothing will be there, will be a shadow. There is no water. But again we will feel that there was being in water. So that phenomena is nothing but we call mirage. That illusion of water. That illusion is nothing but we called mirage. The illusion of an observer, the water is being present on the surface of the road. The illusion of water being present on the surface. This phenomenon is nothing what we call mirage. So in Telugu we can say like endamount. So here how this mirage is happening, how this total internal reflection is helping to get the mirages, here we can see. See here my dear children, see here there is a tree, tall trees will be there, tall trees, and this is the like our atmosphere and sun. Here VR means who is observes, means observer. Here there is an observer. So here you can see we used to have tall trees and tall buildings and electric poles. So actually what happened, we used to get the light from the sun. So is it the sun very near to us? No, it is far. So we are getting the light rays from very far. So during that, so between the sun and our earth, there is a lot of atmosphere between us. So in that atmosphere, is that atmosphere from earth to sun is the same mass, it means the same medium. So you already learnt in before classes that as we go away from our earth, what happens? The temperature is gradually decreases. Then as we go gradually decreases, then what happens? As we go away from our earth, the medium becomes denser. So as we comes towards the earth, due to the heat absorption of the road, what happened? The layer of the which is present above the layer of the surface, the air used to be so hot. During summer days, what happened? The air which is present near to the surface, it will be so hot. It will be like a vapor. So above it there is some denser. Above it still more denser. Above it still more denser, because as we go away, what happened? It becomes cool. The temperature is decreases, so that the mediums will be denser. So these are things are first medium, second medium, third medium, fourth medium. So first medium is rarer compared to the second. Second medium is rarer compared to third, and third medium is rarer compared to the fourth. Here I have drawn just 4 mediums. Actually, there is many mediums. From the sun to earth means there is more atmosphere, but there is many mediums. So out of those, just for example, I have drawn 4. We have discussed that when a light ray is traveling, from one medium to another medium, what happens? It undergoes the refraction. Refraction means it deviates from its path. Actually, the light used to travel in a straight line path, but when an obstacle, or else when an obstacle comes, it comes back. It undergoes the reflection. But if a medium changes, then it will be changes its path. For example, if it has to go in this direction, if the medium changes, then it is used to deviate from its path and it is used to move it. So that phenomenon is nothing but we call refraction. Here you can see we are getting from sun. The light rays we are getting from the sun. So here in straight line. So first of all, is this light ray directly inciding on us? First, the light ray is inciding on the tall objects, whatever tall objects, either tree or electric poles or else any tall buildings. First, the light ray used to be. See here, the light rays we are getting from the sun. Here, if you take a tree, a tall tree, what happened here? It will be, the total light will be reflected by this tall object. Here what is happening? Total internal reflection. And due to these many mediums, what happened here? Here fourth medium is denser, third medium is rarer. When the light is traveling, think that this is the normal. This is the normal. We already learned that when light ray is traveling from denser to rarer, the light ray will be moves away from the normal. So here actually the light ray has to come straight. But what happened here? Due to the rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. And again here, it is entering from third medium to second medium. Again from denser to rarer. Here it has to come in a straight line path. But due to this rarer medium, the light is still more moving away from the normal. Again it is entering into another rarer medium. Due to this rarer medium, what happens? Still more the light is moves away from the normal. Due to these many refractions, actually the light ray used to be straight line. But due to these many refractions, what happened here? The light ray becomes like a curved path. And this light ray reaches to an observer. So, but when observer saw, he feels that light rays are coming from the surface of the road. So it means that the shadow of the tree. So the shadow of the tree used to look in black color. But due to this extended incident ray, what happened? This extended incident ray also reaches to his eyes. So that we used to feel, the observer used to feel that there is a water being present on the surface of the road. Actually, there is no water is presenting on the surface of the road. That is nothing but the shadow of the tree that we are feeling as a water. It's just our illusion. So here these mirages are forming due to the total internal reflection, due to the many refractions only. So if there is no total internal reflection, what happened? The light ray used to come straight and it is reached to the person and observer. Then we cannot get any curved path and we cannot feel that there is an extended light ray and we won't feel that mirage. So these mirages are forming, these mirages we are getting due to the concept of total internal reflection. So what is another application for total internal reflection? Brilliance of diamonds. See here, actually the diamond used to be looks in this shape now. You can find when you are finding the diamonds from the earth, will it be more brighter like after that in ornaments? So if you observe in ornaments, the diamonds used to be very glitter, very shiny. But as when we are getting from the earth, it won't be that much. So how it becomes very brighter and brighter? What is the reason? Yeah, they will do what they will do. They will give shape to the diamond. So this is the shape of the diamond in 3 dimensions. See here, due to this shape, what happened whenever the light ray is incidentally on the diamond, here actually the critical angle of the diamond is 24.4 degrees. What is the critical angle of diamond? 24.4 degrees. The light ray is incidenting here more than the critical angle. The light, due to this shape of the diamond, the light ray is inciding on the diamond more than the critical angle. So when the light ray is incidenting more than the critical angle, at this point what happened? There occurs a total internal reflection, and the light ray will be reflect on the another surface. Again here at this position, total internal reflection. Here also more than the critical angle, the light ray will be incident, and here again total internal reflection on the another surface. Again here total internal reflection. Again here total internal reflection. Here what happened? When the light is enters in inside of the diamond, there undergoes many total internal reflections. Already we learned that if multiple reflections are happening in any object, then the object will be looks very brighter. So here there are many total internal reflections are happening inside the diamond. Because of that, the diamond is appearing more and more brighter because of the total internal reflection. The total internal reflection is occurred by giving the shape of this shape of the diamond. So this is one of the application of a total internal reflection. And next our application is optical fibers. So what is optical fibers? The optical fibers are like a thin tube like structures. It is a thin tube glass. It is a thin glass tube structures. So like this thin tubes used to be there. Thin tubes. So there will be like a thin tube like structures. A bunch of so these are all packed with these all thin tube like structures are packed with the one large tube. So what will happen is where we use this thin tube like structures, these tube like structures is nothing but we called optical fibers. Its radius 10 power minus 6 meters. Radius is 10 power minus 6 meter. It means a micrometer. So very thin tube it is. A bunch of thin tubes and forming the optical, it forms a one big optical fiber. Where we are using this optical fiber, you can see here, just I am drawing optical in a big, just I am drawing large. Think that this is the one optical fiber. So here what happened when light ray is incident on it. When light ray is incident on it, here the light ray is incidenting with a more than the critical angle. So that the total light ray, it will be reflected back. Again here total internal reflection. It will be reflect back. Again here total internal reflection. So what happened? Throughout this optical fiber, there occurs a total internal reflection. So with how much intensity we are sending the light ray here, with the same intensity it will be emerge outside. Here you can see this phenomena we are using in the like communication purpose. So like telephones, we are talking from here to who are there at the USA. So if I am speaking this much louder, you are able to listen. But who are there in another like Brodipet or some other places, can they able to listen? It's impossible. Why? The intensity of a sound is decreases. But so here they can able to listen clearly with how even if you are speaking slower also they can able to listen your voice. So how it is possible? Because of these optical fibers. When you are talking in the telephone, what happens? That voice that is made with the optical fibers. So here you are speaking, the sound intensity we are getting. Here it is instanting with more than the critical angle and total internal reflection. So without the loss of any intensity of sound, it is reaching to the person who is there on another side. So then they can able to listen clearly. And the same this optical fibers we are using in the laparoscope. Means in the hospitals we are using whatever organs we inside any tiny organisms. If you want to do an operation, we are using the new technology by sending the pipes, optical fibers. We are sending two bunch of optical fibers. When we are sending two bunch of optical fibers, through one bunch of optical fiber they are sending the light, and so with another, if that light will be instant on the organ to which you are going to do the operation, and through the another second bunch of optical fiber, the light will be, whatever light is reflecting from the organ, that light will be sent back to the second bunch of optical fiber that is connected to the scanner in the hospitals. Then you can able to see that inside whatever organ and all, everything you can able to see, and you can do the operation properly. So these are the applications of total internal reflection. So later session we will discuss still more.